All right, good morning, everyone. I tell you, it's a brand new day. Otherwise, I would have said it's not, but it's a brand new day. Okay. The same thing. I just want to make you understand this. I've been talking about a lot of products recently, and specifically, some asked me, "Do you say this? Do you say that?" I said, "All we have a lot to say for you." From our own product to every other product you want to get, we have a lot to say for you. You can see back of the counter. So whatever you really need to get, just place your order. Place your order. Whatever you need to get, place your order. You can see. All right. I just want to show all this so you can see. Just place your order. Whatever you need to get. From this Aziz also, you can just place your order. You see. Whatever you need to get, place your order. Place your order. Aside our product, any cosmetic product, organic, you want to say organic, or you want to talk about pro-mixing or cosmetic recipes, any how you may call it, we have them all right? This is the store at Aku Ojo right now. I mean, if you want me to show you from the store at Ojota, I will show you. If you want me to show you from Allen, I will show you. If you want me to show you from Tradefed, I will show you. And everything is original. All right. So I tell you, real talk. Just place your order. Place your order. For those of you who are looking for a product to take off your pimples, to take off your acne, and to take off your redness, you know, we have them all. For those of you who want original crude Kenacol, you can see all of them. This is original crude Kenacol. This one is not that type they sell in Ojota, no. This one take off your white patches, your dark spot, and it take off your knuckles as well, and it take a lot of things off you. All right, any kind of pigmentation in the body, you know, it take them off, and it can even clear your ties. You know, if you want to use it to mix lotion, you can use it. If you want to use it to mix soap, you can use it. Anything you want to use it for, you can use it. You can use it for you can use it Olin also, right? So it works a lot, and it's a whitening also. So it might a little bit expensive, but it works. Then it should work, right? So for those of you who want a direct knuckle stuff, you can say this. This one is for knuckles, right? This for knuckles, yes. So you can see powerful oils and cleansers. We have them all for you. So then again, I want to make you understand that if you want us to ship them to you anywhere, any part of the world, we can ship to you except Libya, okay? Anywhere, any part of the world, we ship to you. Our logistic company, they are tight, very tight. We have our logistic company, all right, that does all that. So if you need body wash as well, look at them, you know? We have other body wash, you know, but these ones, they are dope, they are good. So place your order now, place your order. Don't hide me from your friends. I say, "Oh, where's your sauce? Can you tell me your sauce in Africa?" Don't. And for those of you who proud of me and you're looking for me, go to YouTube and search for Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. You can go to Instagram also and search for us, Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria, and Facebook also, Austin Global Cosmetic and Nigeria. Search for us. Add us up. We are all one. I get you original. Even this beauty series, a lot of people don't know about it. Also, is original. Try to use it and see how it works. All right. And then again, I will tell you about Nano Half-Cast Whitening Serum. Also, is original. Get the original. The only reason it will not work the way you want it when it's not original. All right. And also, I just want to make you understand this one too is original. The only reason why it will not work. Why it will not work when it's not original, all right? Okay, so place your order. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you.